Hi World History students, welcome to your journey in World History 1. It is a great semester packed with all sorts of fun activities. If you don't like something, wait till the next assignment because there's really something for everyone in this course. World History is kind of my personal little baby. I teach lots of different social studies courses, but I love World History. It is where my heart lies. So first off, we're going to look at Unit 1, which is where civilization begins. The world takes many twists and turns as civilizations start to develop. Agriculture begins in places like Mesopotamia, Egypt, the Indus River Valley, and all of this kind of comes together for the beginning of what we know as specifically civilization, right? After these early civilizations, we get into what we call the classical civilizations. So we have Greece and Persia, we have Rome, which is of course really cool. I always call them my Greeks 2.0 because I steal a lot of stuff from the Greeks, and Han China as well. And they start to dominate the world with political, social, and economic landscape, the great civilizations, as we like to call them, right? So during most of this time, the world's major religions develop as well. And so that is kind of going to be our last little bit. This is the largest unit that we have with 4 weeks. It's a good chunk for a reason because there's a lot to learn very, very quickly. You'll always see on my introduction pages I have essential questions and the learning objectives, okay? So make sure you are paying attention to those, and those will pop up on your assignments as well. If you have any questions, please make sure that you use the Canvas inbox system to message me, all right? I look forward to getting to know you all through these assignments, and please just never hesitate to contact me, okay? Thank you, guys.